Hi Dennis, this is Mark from Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale. This is the video as promised. This is our 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged V8. Just wanted to show you around the vehicle. The original MSRP was $109,130. Of course, this is the Carpathian gray paint. This has the drive package with blind spot monitoring, Oxford leather seat style. Has the 21-inch style 101 wheels, wooden leather steering wheel, and the Ebony headliner. So just want to show you how clean everything is inside and out. Apologize, the car's not as clean as it should be right now, but I just wanted to get you out this video. I did notice there's a little imperfection up here in the front bumper. I'm going to have that fixed and taken care of for you. I think that's what you saw in the pictures earlier. We did replace the front and rear brakes. Tires are in excellent condition as well. And I'll show you the rear seats right now. Just a beautiful car. It has the summer and winter mats are in it. The leather's in excellent condition. It's a non-smoker's vehicle. I'll show you the front seats. So you can see the winter floor mats here. Again, seats have minimal wear on them. As it should. The vehicle has 15,197 approximate miles on it. That's the wooden leather steering wheel. Vehicle is just serviced here, Jaguar Land Rover Hinsdale. It's a multimedia interface. And all the off-roading fun stuff right there. Here's the passenger seat. And just sweep across the dash. It's just extremely clean. And just a beautiful vehicle. I'm a big fan of the full-size Range Rovers. There's just nothing like them. Okay, that's a TFT screen. There's your heated steering wheel. So that's a heated wooden leather steering wheel, which is actually a little bit rare in the automotive industry for some reason. But that is our 2017 Range Rover full-size Supercharged. If you have any other questions, feel free to call Brian or myself. 630-325-9955. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.